Here we go. I was out with the chainsaw for hours and hours and hours. You remember this whole yard was destroyed. Look at this. That big branch landed on my car. Look at that. That big tree landed and didn't break any windows. I'm not going to get it fixed. The car's 10, 12, 11 years old. But I got all this cleaned up. My wife's been helping me. I do all the cutting. She picks it all up. Whew. Yeah, if you remember that whole bunch right there, I cut the neighbors up too. And they had some over there. But still got some to go back here. Whew. Here's all the stuff I cut up. And still got a mess, but still haven't caught my breath. I even had a shower. But here's a lot of the wood that we cut up. You can see they're fresh from the trees. A lot of fresh ones over here too. But I had all this over here. This is all ready to be picked up. It's just too much. I had to quit. But still got that to go. This was all busted up my fence. I still got one right up there that's hanging above my head, and I gotta pull that down somehow. And I still got all this to cut up. And all this, I got it out of my pool though. Got all this cut up. I gotta take this whole thing down and cut up all this stuff over here. But that's another day. Another day. I got a mess still, but oh my Lord. I'd have had it done if I didn't do all my neighbor's stuff. Now, it's really warm. It's probably in the 70s now, so all the snow's gone. So I gotta go for a ride. So I'm gonna probably ride the Spider and then go ride the Goldwing, see if they'll both start. Bye. Well, hello there, YouTube. Well, a little video before this was got my yard cleaned up in the front. Got the neighbor's yard. Oh, huge branches, and I got the gas chainsaw, and I was out doing that all day. And I still haven't caught my breath. I even had a shower. I think I overdo it. My wife always tells me I have no slow speed. I'm all full speed ahead until I'm done or until I drop. But anyway, it's 75 degrees now. I don't know why I got this jacket on. Can you believe that? We were -7 just a few days ago. Now we're 75. So all the snow's gone. Thank goodness. All the ice is gone. I was sweating like crazy, sawing all those branches. Wow, I can't believe it's 75 already. But I can't believe we got that cold. There were a lot of people died because that ERCOT, the governor went after ERCOT because there was a couple Canadians, couple aren't even in this country, and they shut power grids down, and my son lost power for 36 hours each, like twice he lost power for 36 hours. People freezing to death in their homes because these morons were shutting off the power, trying to conserve power, and they just they will never be allowed. It's a what is it, a non-profit. They're gone. I don't think Texas is going to let them even have anything to do with Texas Power anymore. But anyway, I'm stuck at this light. Bye. 229 there. I saw it for 209 down the street, so that's where I'm going. Let's see if it's still 209. Oh, what a nice day. Well, got gas there for $2.09. It's $2.29 everywhere else. Hope these people reduce their prices. They're probably gouging. I don't know why gas is going up. Probably well, I won't get into politics. Bye.